Okay, everybody, this is Demo Dad, and I am going to do some back testing today with you. And it's Friday, and so I don't, the markets aren't open for any of these coins. So, what you do on a Friday afternoon, Saturday, Sunday is practice. And so, I'm going to show you how I practice. So, first thing I do is I choose a date back in time. Say, let's try April 1st. Let's do the 4th. So I'll do April 4th, and normally I am on around 6 o'clock. Let's see what that looks like. 6:30. Let's just say 6:30, and then it will take me to March or April 4th at 6:30. And then, so here is what the markets looked like April 4th at 6:30. These are all headed down. These are headed down. These are headed down. This is telling me that everything is going down, and even my echo chart is saying it is going down. So I'm going to put in a sell trade right now. I'm doing 100 stop loss, 100 profit, and then I just turn it on. My replay is 1 second long. So I'm just going to watch this as it went back through time and see if my choice would have made money or not. So keep in mind this is 1 second intervals. This is saying it's going to go back up. This is saying it's going back up. And green just crossed, so that's not good. So it looks like it is headed up now. But my echo is still saying it might be going down. So let's see if I can just ride this out. I had to do this today. It went up high on me at the beginning, and I had to wait it out till it got down to 0 again. I always hate those. So, not looking good. I have now lost my negatives over here. They're now positives. As soon as this guy hits a 3, I'm going to get out. Still going up. Lost $50 now. 56. There, just dropped down. Now to 48, 38, 33. So it's dropped back down. Not really still making any money. There's a good drop for me. Oh, there, I just about broke even. Look at all of that I had to wait through. Now it's at $26, $15, $35. It is starting to track down now. $31. You see this is still headed down. My numbers are still negatives. So I might make it out of here alive. Now generally if it hits $50, I usually chicken out and sell it, but this time I'm just going to let it ride. As you can tell over here, I'm going in 15-minute intervals, so you can see how the market goes up and down. But I am now on a positive route. I want it to kick down into negative territory again because I'm hoping that it to short sell this guy. Okay, I'm waiting for this to turn to a 3. If that turns into a positive 3, I gotta get out. Still hanging in there. I'm still not making any money. At this point, there it is. There's my signal. The 3, I got a positive 3 where I had a negative 3. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And now I've got 3 greens in a row and 2 greens in a row. So I think it's a buy opportunity. So I'm now going to buy. So I just lost $20 on that last trade. All signs say up. All these signs are saying up. 88, 89, 91, 90, 88. Come on, give me 100. That's how far away you have to get. 96, 98. There we go. It broke 100. So this trade was $100 profit and $20 in the negative. So let's try another day. Let's try the next day at 6:30, and let's start playing this guy. All right, this is what it looked like at 6:30 on April 5th. To me, all these are negatives here, 2, -3, -4. So I'm going to play into the it's going down more crowd. So I'm going to hit a sell right here, and let's play the market. Now it looks like it's already low, so it might go up and then come down again, but I'm hoping that it just continues down here and continues to drop. Of course, there it just bounced up into the oversold category, and I'm now at -2, but it's going to turn down again. Let's hope that it turns down. My green's on top, so that's not good. That means it's going to be going up. This is also indicating upward momentum. So I'm still hoping that my negatives will stay in here. And there we go. There's my -3 again, so that's good. It just didn't go down that far. So we're just watching. I'm now at $25. Oh, and then it takes a huge jump up. Oh, and that was it. Did you see how quickly that happened? Oh my gosh, just had one big spurt up and I lost $100. So let's look at the market now. I'm going to look for another entry here and see if I can maybe make that money back. I hate losing it like that. So there's my 3 green. I need a 3 green or a 3 red right here. So we'll see what it's going to do for me. There's a signal right there. 3 greens in a row on the 15 and 2 greens in a row on the 30 minutes. So I'm going to do a buy signal here. And let's speed this up just a tad. Oh, well, that was horrible. So it can happen just like that. I lost $200 in 20 minutes. Let's see what it's going to do anyway. Is it going to come back around? Nope, it's going to crash. Look at that. See, you just can't predict that. Even with all the things that are telling you what to do, you just can't predict it. So now let's do a sell option here, and let's keep playing and see what happens. Now I've got a sell option in. Come on, you are going down now. As soon as I say sell, you go up. Oh, there we go. So I just made $100. So lost 200, made 100. Let's go to a new day. Craziness. Maybe I should have paid more attention to this ATR. That could have been my problem. So let's go to April 6th. It looks like it's going up, but it's been going up. Look at that. It's been going up for quite a bit. It's on the top here. So one of the things I wanted to try is see if I could, while it's still in the positive range, let's see if I can get it to go down first and then buy. All right, so there's the downward trend. to go down just a little bit more. All right, almost there. See how this is pointing down? I want to go down just a little bit more. There we go. So now I feel like there's been kind of a breath here, and so now it's going to continue on its upward climb. So I'm going to buy here, and nobody told me that. It's just my theory, so I am going to go and test that theory. I should have waited till that went down, right? Oh, and I already lost. So there is a loss already. I tell ya, this is just, it's almost luck. Let's try luck. All right, let's try luck. Let's go to the 7th and let's play. And let's find a perfect opportunity. So right here, reds or yellows or greens and yellows. So greens and yellows. All these are greens, a 3 and a 2. So the 15-minute and the 2. So instead of saying, all right, this is going up, I'm going to say sell. This is going down. And I'm just betting against the market. Let's see what it does. Nope, it went up. So I should have bought into it. You see that? Let's go to another day. I even did the reverse of what you're supposed to, the 11th. You know what? This is 6:30 in the morning. I want 6:30 at night. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. All right. So in this scenario, we are going to find 3 reds in a row or 3 greens in a row. There's my 3 greens in a row, so I'm going to put in a sell order. So here we go. Looking good so far. Everything's a green, or I mean red, and then it just climbed back up. Let's see if it'll drop back down. 50 bucks. You see how much money that I've already lost in just replaying these? I mean, seriously. $30. Oh, there it goes up. $11. Just hit that. Okay, if it hits a red or a green 3, I'm out. I'm in the positive again. That's good. There it was, green 3. So I lost $20. Now I'm going to buy. See, now all my numbers are positive here. It should be going up. My dog's here whining at me. She wants to go out and play. There's a positive, just barely bumping up against it, staying below. Come on, I need a big movement up. 27 minus 17 minus 6, 3. There we go. Just went into the positive. Positive 16, 13. Come on, I need to go to 100. Everything looks good on the green side. 50, 60, 69, 80. Oof. Come on. There you go. Hit that green line up there and I'll be happy. 50. Nope. Trending down. Let's see. These are starting to turn negative on me. If it becomes a -3, I'm out. -1. Still a -1. +3. Ooh, that was good. +3, +4. That means it's going up. Down again, down to 0. below. Minus 44, minus 74. Ugh. Can you believe? So I went all that way and I lost. So I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. You know, I'm looking for the right times to go in. I'm looking for the right times to go out. And I'm still losing money. That's the way it is. That would have been a horrible day. If I would have had $1,000 and I'm playing around with $1,000. Look at this. 100, 0. Minus 100, 0. Minus 100, minus 200, minus 300. So out of $1,000, I would have lost $300. So it's crazy. I mean, that's real life right there. You think you've got it all figured out, and the market wrecks you. So this is Demo Dad doing some day trading. If you'd like to learn about day trading, I'll leave a link in the description. And then you can click on it and it'll go to a page where it teaches you all this stuff. It teaches you what to look for, what are all these lines mean, what are the dips and the tops, what does this chart mean, how do you practice, all that stuff they will teach you. So if you click on the link in the description and you sign up, they'll give you a 30-day trial and you can test this stuff out and see if it's something that you like. So thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time on Demo Dad Day Trading.